Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'll show you how to set up AI Multicam Smartswitch. First, I'll open Davinci Resolve, and now I have imported 3 clips. And here, this is my first clip with this view, and the second clip with this closed look view, and the third clip with wide view. So simply, I'll select all the clips, right click on them, then click on Create New Multicam Clip using selected clips. It will show here this window. Just keep it default, then click on Create. And now here it will create a new clip, and it will show you all the original clips in another folder. So simply I will drag this new clip. Now I have dragged it to the timeline. Now go and click on this icon on the left side, then choose multicam. Here you have your multicam and how does it look like. Now go to this guy icon, just click on it. It will open this window. Now you can go through all of these settings by yourself, but for me, I will simply uncheck this option, automatically detect wide angles, and I will select angle 3. You can also choose the wide angle frequency and just click on analyze. Then go grab yourself a coffee, go eat something, and when you get back, you will find that your work are done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in a new video.